Okay, you guys, it's Friday. We're having a good time testing out our demo barbecue sauce website here on Squarespace. And I just want to do one thing before the week is up. I want to show you guys a way to add a little more impact to your homepage. So in this case, I'm selling barbecue sauce. I'm very much an online merchant. This is my income. So I'm very focused on making a splash of an impact. So one thing I want to show is how to add overlay text on top of an image. So let's go ahead and jump in and do that. So if we click edit and we scroll down to our nice little barbecue plate here, we can see that there currently isn't any text added. But if we click a text block, right, and we drag that bad boy down here, oops, hopefully you guys can see that okay. All right, and this is going to be fun because this is going to showcase the challenge as a designer and a DIY user of finding that perfect contrast of text that's going to be bold and contrast color against whatever your background color is. So let's go ahead and just start out from the ground floor. Barbecue sauce that makes your mouth water. I don't know. It's Friday. It's almost the weekend. We're almost all checked out here, guys, but we're going to keep it moving. So barbecue sauce that makes your mouth water. Okay, so what do we want to do? Well, in this case, since we have such a big, bold heading here, I'm going to do an H2. Right? And that looks okay. Maybe we center it. How does it look centered? Okay. But the one problem here, as you guys can see, is that it is legible, but it's not great. So how do we make it great? Well, Squarespace on any given text block allows you to customize the color. So if you've got your palette colors, you can pull those up, which I'm going to do. And to do that, you can just click into this little color icon and select a different color. And you can even customize that color. All right, so you can kind of move it around until it starts to make sense. And maybe it's the case that that yellow and none of my brand colors really work for this, which is fine. You just start playing around until you find a color that does work. And you roll with it. All right, so maybe that's the one. I don't know. Or maybe it's just pure white. Yeah. Or the other thing is, can we adjust the opacity? No, we can set an overlay. Look at that, overlay, fill. Okay, check it out, guys. I just solved this own problem in real time with you. What I've done is I've added a text overlay on top of an image, and then I've changed the image to image overlay. And so now what you see is we should be able to set an image overlay. Yeah, there we go. So check out all these different image overlays, you guys. Darken. Oh, that's so cool. Perfect. That's the one we want. And then theoretically, you should be able to change this now to yellow. Woo-wee! We got something cooking in the smokehouse, folks. Awesome. Okay. That is so cool. All right, so that's it for today, you guys. I used a image block directly below my header. I used a shape to make this sort of ellipses. I added a image overlay, set it as dark, and then I added text, and I changed the text color from white to yellow to match my brand. And you guys are off to the races. Go test this out on your own. If you like what you saw, give me a comment, give me a like. Consider subscribing to my channel. I do this 5 times a week. I'm doing my best to give all the information out to the DIYers to really empower you as a website owner to build the best website possible, because I think Squarespace is the best platform in the world. So have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.